Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So let me ask you a very straightforward question. You need to be very honest. How many of you are in drawdown? Yes, if at all you're thinking it's only you, then you might be wrong. Almost everyone, I should not say everyone, almost 90% of the systematic traders, that is rule based traders, are in loss as of now. Or I can say all the genuine traders who are doing trading genuinely are in loss. I've been consulting many of them. I've been talking to my friends as well, many of them whom I know on Twitter, on YouTube, and all those things. I'm asking with them, checking with them. Almost 90% of them are in drawdown. So it's not only you who are in drawdown, there are many others who are in drawdown, and drawdown is very common. If at all you are a system trader, you have to accept drawdown. But the amount of drawdown, that is the percentage of drawdown, is very high this time because the market price action has completely changed. I can really see a very different kind of market structure. It's making all V shape, M shape, continuous reversal happening. So these were all not very unique. I mean, these were all not very common before. And for people, those who have started started trading after this lockdown period, they will be facing this kind of drawdown for the first time, and many of them will be planning to quit as well. So I've been getting a lot of requests on WhatsApp as well, many of them requesting me for help, guidance and moral support and all those things. So I thought in today's video I will explain to you few very important few very important changes which I have done to manage this kind of market conditions. And let me tell you, I have not changed the strategy. Please don't think about changing the strategy. It is not the change in strategy, but what is the other modification which I have done in my trading style. That is what I'm going to explain to you in today's video. And one more very important thing you'll be understanding in the last is I'll be showing you how I manage my drawdown. How do I manage my emotions? How do I control my emotions during drawdown? I follow a very simple trick, a small trick which you also can start following. That also I'll explain in the end of the video. So stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full updates. And if at all you're not subscribed to this channel, I recommend you to please do press a subscribe button. And also, if in case you like my effort, please do press the like button as well. Okay. So first and foremost, there are three major things which I have done to my present trading style. First thing is that I have reduced the time frame. So initially I used to trade with 5 minutes, then I came down to 3 minutes. So now I'm trading with 1 minute. Yes, you heard it correct. I'm trading with 1 minute. Reason because I'm able to I want to catch the reversals or the trend a little early. 3 minutes and 5 minutes is delaying too much. So by the time you wait for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, the market is moving much volatile. But when you trade in a 1 minute, you're able to catch the trend very soon and you're able to exit very soon as well. So 1 minute trading is what I have come now. It is also, you can call it as scalping. In option buying and option selling also, both I am doing this 1 minute. So I am doing different experiments and I found this 1 minute being performing very good, and I'm able to catch the trend and exit trend very fast. Okay, that is point number one. Point number two is, friends, I divided my trading day into three parts. So what do I mean by this? So before, let us say, if at all I was taking a straddle or if I was taking any strategy, I used to take it at 9:20, 9:30 and then trade it till 3 o'clock. So what used to happen, either if market goes in one direction, we used to make good money. In case if market comes down, I used to make money. If market remains sideways, I used to make money. And I used to only lose money in case if there is zigzag kind of motion. But now, market is, in the first half it is moving up, again the second half is moving down, again, later end of the day after 2 o'clock, again it is going up. So it is like continuously making lots of V-shaped movements. So then I divided my trade into three parts. That is, every 2 hours I start a trade and end a trade. That's nothing but, if I start at 9:20, but at least by 11:20 I am just squaring off my trades, considering it as a trade completion. And then at 11:20 I am starting fresh again. Almost all my strategies I am doing the same. So initially I had told you about this multi-straddle where we can trade 3 times and all those things. But now almost all my strategies I am moving into 2 and 3 kinds of time frames. So I'll start at 9:20 and close it off by 11:20, profit or loss, whatever it is, because at least by 11:20 market will be moving in one direction, or at least at the most you will get at least one reversal. But if you wait till 3 o'clock, you will already see 2, 3, 4 kind of reversals. So that's why I'm breaking. Again 11:20 I'll take fresh positions, again it will go till 120, and 120 again square off everything, again then start fresh at 120. So one trading day is converted into 3 parts. Otherwise you can say it is converted into 3 trading days kind of thing. So there is advantage and disadvantage to this. The advantage is that you are able to catch the trend and you are able to get only minimal zigzag movements. at least in a day 1 or 2 times you will get profit. So thereby average is coming into break even, and I'm not facing any major losses due to this. Second, disadvantage about this is that your transaction cost will increase, because you're taking multiple trades 3 times a day, the same capital. So your brokerage will increase, your transaction cost will increase. So you have to be ready for this. These are all what I am doing. So please do your research and then please try it out. Okay, friends. Now, third thing is, it is not something very new to me. Third thing which I have done is I started increasing my allocation in option buying. So many might be thinking that I'm only an option seller, but you might be wrong, because previously I started doing directional trading itself. I was doing futures trading, options buying and all those things, but it was mostly into synthetic futures which I was doing. But now I started doing purely options buying. Reason, because if VIX is increasing, option buying will give you very good profit. Even if the price is stagnant, if VIX increases, your premiums also will increase and you'll get good profits. That is why now non-directional tradings and option sellings are not making money. Reason, because VIX is also very, very volatile. It is just going up, coming down kind of things. It's reacting to all the news. So try out even option buying as well. You can allocate a small fund of yours. I would say not more than 25% of your capital. In case if you're doing option selling or non-directional trading and all those things, try to find out any option buying strategy and allocate 25% of your capital for option buying. It will really help you in this kind of volatile market where the VIX is very, very high. So you can try doing scalping, which I told in 1 minute, and you can see the difference. It will really compensate for the losses which you're making in selling. Thereby you can come out break even, or at least if you're lucky enough, it's a trending market, you can come out in profits as well. So these are the 3 modifications which I have done to my trading style, and mind you, I have not changed my strategies. If at all you're thinking about changing your strategies during this period, then it's a very wrong approach. We should not change our strategies. Stick to the same thing. At the most, what you can do is, in case if your prescribed drawdown reaches, so let's say if you are following a strategy and it is having a 20% drawdown or 30% drawdown, once you reach that limit, you can stop trading for the month. Or otherwise, if you are reaching 75% of the drawdown, you can at least reduce your capital. That is like reduce, if you are trading with 10 lots, now trade with only 5 lots. That means reduce your trading quantity. So these kind of things which you can do, but don't change your strategy. And also try to inculcate what I am also doing. You can do your research, you can do your backtest and see. You can see the results are going to be very good. Okay, now coming to the most important part, that is how do we handle this kind of drawdown, because drawdowns keep coming always. It keeps coming and going, but how do you survive during these drawdowns? So I am going to tell you one of the secrets which I follow. It's a very personal secret of mine, so you might feel it kiddish or you might feel it very awkward, but I am openly generally telling you what I do. Okay, so there is a mentor whom I follow. A mentor in the sense, it's not like directly getting trained under him or something. It's like a Ekalavya Dronacharya kind of story. I just follow him from the back, everything. I keep observing whatever he do and all those things. And you would have also heard many times when I in my previous videos as well. His name is Madan. So he has got a very famous website. Sorry, not a famous website, but he's got a website by name Markets with Madan. So he had got trained under John F. Carter, if I'm not wrong. So he is very famous US trader. So Madan had got trained under him. So Madan also is a very good systematic trader, and he is very good with respect of how to manage your psychology, will draw down all those things. If at all you would have seen this 3 Idiots movie, there's a very good joke in that. When you lose your exam or when you lose in anything, you might feel bad, you might feel upset. But then when you come to know that your friend also has lost, then it will at least make you feel comfortable, you will feel calm, you will not feel very depressed. Okay, on a lighter note, but it is a human psychology. So now when we are also doing trading, we are in a loss phase and we are in a drawdown phase. We don't know whether, it is like we feel it is like only we are in a big mistake. So this is a time when we have to see others, that is our mentors, and then come to know whether they are also in the drawdown or what is going on with them. But in our trading fraternity, it's not so easy to find whether others are making loss, because you see on YouTube almost everyone only puts their profit screenshot. So you'll only get the feel that okay, they're always making money, only making money. There are hardly very few people who put their profit and losses as well. If you ask me also, even I am not comfortable always showing my losses, posting my always negative losses. Yes, when I'm in profits, I'm comfortable in showing. I might show my ledger as well, but when I'm in losses, I'm not comfortable. But that is human psychology. But then there is one person, as I told you, this guy Madan. he posts his daily trades, profit or loss, he continuously keeps posting, and also every quarterly he keeps posting his ledger as well in his website. So whenever you are in a drawdown phase, or sorry, whenever I am in a drawdown phase, if at all I feel that if I'm doing anything wrong, or is it that market has changed, I just try to take inspiration from his trades. I just try to take inspiration from his journal. So even if he is undergoing loss, even if he is going continuously into drawdown, then I feel a little comfortable. Okay, I'm not in the wrong track. It's like whole market is like that, and many of them are in losses. And I also try to talk with few other people whom I follow and who are friends of mine, and I'll just try to understand how is the situation. So that is what I'm trying to tell here. Try to take inspiration from your mentor. I'll just show you his website and his ledger. You can also go through, and there are many things which you can learn from a mentor, and especially for people those who are very genuine, they'll post their profit and losses as well. People those who are only posting their profits, I don't think you can learn anything from them, but you need to see their profits and losses as well. So let me just quickly show you what I do whenever I go through drawdowns. I'll just follow a few things. I'll just show you. So this is his website. It's called as Markets with Madan. You can just Google it. You can see, you'll get this marketswithmadan.com. So in this, if you come, he's given lots of articles and all those things, but for us what we need is his journal. So he did his live trading in two parts. One is phase 1, where he came from 3 lakhs to 1 CR, and then again phase 2, that is 1 CR to 5 CR. So you can see all he has posted, all his daily trades, his ledger, everything is available. You can just go through the website. So what I try to take is, I try to take inspiration from this particular part. So you can see he is uploading all the dates, all the trades, and also he is uploading his quarterly statement, ledger, everything is available. So this part is where I always look into the drawdown. So you can see the net points, the P&L and the drawdown. So you can see here he posts his trades every day, and there is a particular phase over here. You can see in the January month, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 continuous losses, and he has not stopped trading. He has just continued doing the trade, and you can see almost 18% drawdown. And in case these are the things where it really gives you motivation to continue trading. You will not lose hope. Okay, after that he took a very big profit. Again, you can see it's continuing the drawdown, and finally he has come out of drawdown as well. You can see here in this particular phase he has come out of drawdown as well. So in case if he was stopping over here, this is just an example. I try to take motivation by seeing this. You can see all his past performance, everything you can see here. Okay, with all ledger, monthly breakdown, everything are there here. So in case if he was stopping trading, he would have not come to break even. He would have not recovered his losses, whatever he had made. So just by sticking to the rules, you can see here he was in a loss. This is the monthly profit which is there. It was in a loss. It was in a loss. But then just sticking to the rules, he has come back into the profit, and overall he has come back to profit. Okay, so now this is only the latest data, that is he traded from 1 CR. But in case if you want to see the previous, that is from 3 lakh to 1 CR, it is a huge journey. You can just go through the 8 times whenever he was in drawdown, whenever he was facing losses. He was just sticking to the strategy. He did not make any changes to the strategy. That is what I need to. That is what even I was trying to gain experience from his trading style. And as I already told you, whenever you see others also making loss, you will also feel that they are not in the wrong track. You will at least get confidence that okay, I also have to continue. And so I almost every time try to take inspiration from his trades. Okay, so you can see the drawdown percentage, almost it has gone to 20, 21%, 25% also, but still he does not stop trading. He keeps continuing the same thing. Okay, so yeah, just go through the website, you'll understand. You can see again there was one particular period when it has reached almost 22% drawdown, and he just continued trading and it has come back into profit. So if in case if he starts thinking that okay, I'm getting continuous losses, I'm almost lost 20% of my capital, then he would have not recovered the losses and he would have not come back to profit. And mind you, he also is not changing the strategy. he is still sticking to the same strategy. Okay, so this is where, friends, you have to learn from the learn from others, from your seniors or your mentors. You have to gain inspiration, and then you have to you have to be positive, you have to inspire yourself, because this is a trading game. It's a game alone, you are playing alone. It'll sometimes be very, very boring, but you have to get inspiration from others. You have to self motivate yourself, otherwise it's very difficult to stick on in a bad phase, and you might give up in a very bad phase as well. Okay, friends, so just go through his websites. You'll get lots and lots of learnings from him. He's a very systematic trader. I always go through his website, I always go through his PNL. I get a lot of inspiration seeing his trades. I also, the most important inspiration which I get is to survive, to trade, to continue, to keep going during the drawdown. That is the main thing, lesson which I always learn from him. Okay, you can see the entire journey is there from 3 lakhs, and all the ledgers, everything are posted here. It's really a motivation for me. Hope it will inspire you as well. And thank you for watching this video. If at all you feel any other difficulty or any other things you want to discuss with me, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.